Good morning, students. So today I take class for BSc first semester, and today I solve some more problems on angle between the radius vector and the tangent to a curve. So now here the problem is find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to a curve r raised to m is equal to a raised to m cos m theta plus sin m theta. Okay, so now this is the problem. As we done yesterday, what is the formula? The formula is tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr, right? So this is a formula. Call this equation as 1. What is the given equation? R raised to m is equal to a raised to m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. Okay, as first what we do, we differentiate this r with respect to theta. So what we get, m into r minus m into r raised to m minus 1 dr by d theta is equal to a raised to m, differentiation of cos m theta is minus m sin m theta plus sin m theta differentiation is m cos m theta. Okay, so now we want dr by d theta. So dr by d theta is equal to a raised to m into bracket, take m common and you will get cos m theta minus sin m theta, take m common. So I write positive quantity first, cos m theta, minus negative quantity second, minus sin m theta. Okay, so divided by then m into r raised to m minus 1. So now here m get cancelled. Okay, so now this can be written as dr by d theta is equal to, this is a raised to m into cos m theta minus sin m theta whole divided by, this r raised to m minus 1 can be written as r raised to m into r raised to minus 1. Okay, so now this gives dr by d theta is equal to, again, a raised to m into bracket cos m theta minus sin m theta divided by, now see here, divided by r raised to m. Now r raised to m is already given. R raised to m is equal to a raised to m cos m theta plus sin m theta. So I write here a raised to m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. Okay. So then now see here, this r raised to minus 1, by using the laws of indices, if it comes in the numerator, then r raised to, it becomes r raised to plus 1, right? If it comes in the numerator, it becomes r raised to plus 1, or in other words only r. So this is into r. Okay, so now this gives dr by d theta is equal to, now a raised to m get cancelled. Now this r is, right first, this is cos m theta minus sin m theta, okay, divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. Okay, so now what we do, dividing both numerator and denominator, divide both numerator and denominator by cos m theta, divide both numerator and denominator by cos m theta. So then it gives dr by d theta is equal to, this r as it is, now divide this by cos m theta, so cos m theta by cos m theta, it gives 1, minus divide this also by cos m theta, so sin m theta by cos m theta is tan m theta, divided by, then divide this by cos m theta again, 1 plus, divide this again by cos m theta, sin m theta by cos m theta is tan m theta. Okay, So that is, this can be written as r into 1 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta. Tan m theta. Okay. So now this is dr by d theta. Okay, now after obtaining dr by d theta, what we do? We reverse, right? We reverse this. So reversing, what we get? D theta by dr is equal to, when we reverse this, this is also to be reversed. Means it comes in the numerator 1 plus tan m theta divided by r into 1 minus tan m theta. Okay. So this is d theta by dr. Now substitute this value of d theta by dr in the formula of tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. So now therefore tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr, which is equal to r into d theta by dr is 1 plus tan m theta whole divided by r into 1 minus tan m theta. So this r get cancelled. Okay, so or tan phi is equal to, now again this is 1 is nothing but what? 1 is equal to tan pi by 4, correct? Because tan 45 degree is always 1. So pi by 4 means tan pi by 4 is 1. So here I can replace this as tan pi by 4. Similarly, this tan m theta can be written as 1 into tan m theta. Okay, so this is 1 into tan m theta, because 1 into tan m theta is again tan m theta. So I replace 1 by tan pi by 4. So again what I do, I replace here 1 by tan pi by 4 and then tan m theta. Similarly, in the denominator also, this is 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Okay, 1 is, let us write 1 as 1 only. 1 as 1 only. That is 1 only. Then minus 1 minus. Then here again 1 into tan m theta. 1 into, this can be written as 1 into tan m theta. So 1 into tan m theta gives again tan m theta only. Now here in place of 1 I replace this by tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 and this is tan m theta. Okay. So now wait a minute. Okay. Let us do this one. Tan pi by 4 plus, in place don't write this into 1. So tan pi by 4, this as it is tan m theta only. Okay. This is one can be written as tan pi by 4 plus, write tan m theta as tan m theta only. Okay. Don't write it as 1 into tan m theta in the numerator. But whereas in the denominator, this write 1 as it is. Then here you should take it as 1 into tan m theta. So 1 means tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 tan pi by 4 into tan m theta. Now it is of the form tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Correct? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is tan of A minus B formula. Okay? Tan of A minus B, that is tan of pi by 4 minus m theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus m theta. Tan A tan B. So therefore tan pi by 4, tan phi is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus m theta. So both sides tan will cancel. Phi is equal to pi by 4 minus m theta remains same. So therefore phi is equal to pi by 4 minus m theta. So this is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay. So this is how we solve the problem. Next one. Okay, next we take second problem. Find the angle between the tangent and the curve, and find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Angle between the radius vector and tangent to a curve L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Okay, so again we apply the same method. Okay, so then first is solution. This is equation 1. The formula is tan phi is equal to R into d theta by dr. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. Okay, so now L by R differentiation. Here L is constant. So L is constant. Differentiation of 1 by R is minus 1 by R square. Again by applying chain rule, differentiation of R is dr by d theta is equal to, now differentiation of 1 is 0, then differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. E is again constant, so it is minus E sin theta. So now we need dr by d theta. So dr by d theta is equal to, both sides minus get cancelled. Dr by d theta is E sin theta, okay, divided by L into R square. Cross multiply here. This R square goes in the numerator. So E sin theta R square. So minus cancels, and this L comes in the denominator. So E sin theta R square divided by L. So now, which is equal to dr by d theta is equal to, now E sin theta as it is. Now here R square is there, so write 1 R here. Okay, write 1 R here. Then again another R here. So then divided by L. Okay, so or this is equal to E sin theta. This can be written as into R divided by, take R in the denominator, which gives L divided by R. Okay, L divided by R. So this is equal to, now therefore dr by d theta is equal to, now this is R into E sin theta divided by L by R. So this L by R is 1 plus E cos theta. Correct? So now reversing. Next what we do? Reversing. So d theta by dr. Now this is also reversed. 1 plus E cos theta divided by R into E sin theta. After reversing, we get d theta by dr. Then substitute in the formula. Tan phi is equal to R into d theta by dr. So therefore, tan phi is equal to R into d theta by dr. That is equal to R into, so d theta by dr is 1 plus E cos theta divided by 1 plus E cos theta divided by d theta by dr is 1 plus E cos theta divided by R into E sin theta. So this R get cancelled. So therefore tan phi is equal to this much. So phi is tan inverse of 1 plus E cos theta divided by sin theta. So this is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay, so these are some typical problems that I have solved, and using these techniques you can solve also some more problems, and which I have given some exercises. I have given in the last video, I have given exercises for you, and try to solve those problems and if you have any difficulty, then solve it and then send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.